How to fix bad system config info in Windows 11. First, start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to get the automatic repair screen. You could also disconnect it from the outlet. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Now type bootrec/fixmbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. If you get access denied, type the following command and then try again. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. Type bcd-edit/export/c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type attrib/c/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter. Type renc/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type bootrec/rebuild-bcd and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to restart. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Press System Restore. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Type chkdskd/f/r and then press Enter. D, being my hard drive. Yours could be C, or E, etc. If that didn't work, now wait for Windows to be repaired.